Welcome back. Well, last week I introduced you to the Wallops CDA facility and its important role for the country. Now, this week we're going to be going over the Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite, or GOES. Let's take a look.
The GOES program began in 1975 with the launch of GOES-A, or once it was in orbit, GOES-1. And through the last 40 years, we've gone through 13 GOES satellites. Now, currently, there are 3 active GOES satellites up in space for use. It's a set of 2 main satellites and a spare that are positioned 23,000 miles above the Earth. They are geostationary, meaning that they orbit at the same speed that the Earth spins so that they can continuously view the Americas. Now, GOES West is at 135 degrees west longitude, and GOES East is at 75 degrees west longitude, and they both gather data for North and South America. Now, these satellites have quite a few fancy imagers on board, including visible, which we would see with our naked eye, infrared, which tells us cloud temperatures, and water vapor, which shows the amount of water in the atmosphere, just to name a few. Every 30 minutes, the satellites complete a scan where the data is gathered from satellites, sent to the antenna at Wallops, where it's then processed to produce an image, which then meteorologists decipher. They can also focus on certain areas of concern between scans and get high-resolution imagery of special weather events like hurricanes, severe thunderstorms, and even wildfires. The NOAA CDA facility monitors and controls these satellites by making sure that they stay at the proper altitude, orbit at the correct speed, and that they continue to gather and disperse the data that we rely upon.
We pride ourselves on having virtually 100% of our data because people literally around the world are depending on it.
So the next time you look at a weather map or see me use satellite imagery, you can know that some of that data came from a set of satellites 23,000 miles away.
And next week I'm going to introduce you to another set of satellites that Wallops Island controls and maintains, called the Polar Operational Environmental Satellite, or POES.